Hi guys, so today I will be showing you how to make these stickers with your Cricut machine. We will be using the print then cut feature. I will not cut out all of these stickers in this tutorial, but I will show you how to cut out some of them. So as you can see, there is a file, and to get this file, you need to go to my free resource library. You can just go to my website, insideoutline.com, click on free resource library and log in. I will just hide this file. As you can see, all of these files are in one file. And if you wanted to use this complete thing, you would have to slice out your designs, but I do provide individual files with each of these different stickers within them. So I will just hide this layer and then I will click upload. And here you can see all of the stickers that I will use for this tutorial. So there is one more sticker that I need to upload, and I'll just go and do that right now. So I'll click upload image, browse, and then click on this love potion image and then click open. And here you can see that love potion design and you can see the white background. So I'll just click simple and then click continue. Now what I want to do is click on the white space to delete it out. So I'll just click it and then I'll click continue. And as you can see, there's still some white space down at the bottom. So I'll click the back button and then click on those white spaces and then click continue. Now you can see that love potion bottle, and you want to make sure you save your image as a print then cut image. If you save it to look like this, it will just cut the outline. But when you use the print then cut function, you will get all of your colors and the actual design. So now I want to click the save button. So now what I'll do is to upload all of the images that I will use for this tutorial. So I will just click on each one of them and then click the insert images button. So now I'm just going to shrink this on my computer a little bit and bring it over. So the next step is to add a shape to your canvas. So I'll click the shapes button and then click the square. Next, what I want to do is to click the unlock button and then put in the size that you can use to print then cut. So Cricut only allows you to print then cut for 6.75 inches wide and 9.25 inches in height. You can switch these different dimensions if you wanted to. So what I'm going to do now is to just place my designs onto my the base. So I'm acting as if this is the base because this is the area that Cricut allows you to print and cut. So what I'll do is to just start putting these onto the on the base. So now what I'll do is right click this and then click send to back because I want to see where my stickers are within this base. And for all of my stickers, I want them to be 1.5 inches wide. And then I'll just move it to where I want it. And then I'll just keep going. So now that I have all of my stickers where I want them, I will just select all of my stickers and then click the duplicate button. So I will select one sticker, hold down the shift key on my keyboard, and then select the rest of my stickers. Now I'll click the duplicate button. Move these stickers down. And as you can see, I still have some more room down here to add more stickers. So I'll just click on this layer or this row and then click duplicate. So now you can see I have all of my stickers where I want them on my mock canvas. So now I will select this rectangle and then delete it because I don't need it anymore. Next, what I will do is to click the select all button so that I can select all of my stickers and then click the attach button. You want to click the attach button so that your stickers can print exactly like you see them on the screen right now. So next I'll click the make it button. And as you can see, there is a black box around your stickers. This black box is called the registration marks, and it allows your Cricut machine to know where to cut your designs. So then I'll click the continue button. Next, what you want to do is to send your design to the printer. If you've already printed your design, you'll just click the I've already printed button. So what I typically do is to click the send to printer button. You can either turn your bleed on or off, and then what I do next is to use the system dialog button and then click the print button. So here you can see the settings for my printer. And what I usually do is to change the quality to best and then click the print button. Next, what you want to do is to choose the materials that you want to cut out. So you would think that you would use the printable sticker paper, but if you do that, your Cricut will cut all the way through your paper. So what you want to do is to click Browse All Materials. And if you have a Cricut Explorer machine, you want to put that machine on the custom setting on your dial. And then you want to search for sticky note and then click enter. So when you use the sticky note setting, it will allow you to cut out your sticker, but you will be able to peel it from the overall sheet instead of having your Cricut machine cut all the way through your paper. And then you'll click done, and then you will load your paper onto your Cricut mat and cut out your designs or cut out your stickers. So this is the printable sticker paper that I will be using to make my Valentine's Day stickers. As you can see, this paper is 8.5 by 11 and there are 15 sheets inside. I did get this paper from Walmart and I will have a link down below. So what I'm going to do now is to take out the sheet of the paper, and you can see there is a slit. I don't know how well you can see that. There are actually 2 slits in the paper, but it doesn't affect like the print quality of the paper at all. So what I'm going to do is to load this into my printer and print out the design. So as you can see, my stickers have been printed onto my paper. So now I will put this on my mat. And if you're wondering what the black line is, that black line is called the registration mark, and it basically allows Cricut to know where your design is. So whenever you use the print then cut setting, Cricut will put a black registration mark around your design. So if I only had 1 sticker, then that box would be, a little bit smaller, but this allows Cricut to see where your design is within your material. So the setting that I will use on my Cricut is the sticky note setting. So be sure to do that. If you use the regular sticker paper setting, it will cut your stickers all the way through the back of the paper. So you will have like individual stickers. But if you use the sticky note setting, then you can just peel your sticker off of this paper right here. So now I will load this into my Cricut machine. So now my stickers have been cut onto my paper, so I will just peel the paper off of my mat. So now what I can do is to just peel one of the stickers off of the paper, and that's what that looks like. As you can see, there's still a little bit of that pink or red left onto my printable paper. My Cricut machine may need to be calibrated just a little bit, but if your settings are correct on your machine, then you have nothing to worry about. So I'll just peel off another one of these stickers. You can see what that looks like as well. Please remember to use the sticky note setting on your Cricut machine. If you use the printable sticker paper setting, then your Cricut will cut all the way through. So you would be able to stick your finger through there because your sticker would be an individual sticker and the back part would be cut all the way through. I do have an example of what that would look like. So if you use the printable sticker setting on your Cricut machine, all of your stickers will like cut all the way through the paper. So your sticker will look like this, and then you will have to peel the back off of the paper. But if you use the sticky note setting, then you can just peel the stickers off of this paper. So as a reminder, I will have this printable sticker paper linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and leave any comments. Thanks for watching.